functions in the human nervous system. Vibration has a direct link to the brain. You see, it's all in musical terms or tones. So the vocal cords are a direct branch of the vagus nerve. Because of that, the vagus nerve, which is our healing system, really the driver for our autonomic nervous system, it has a direct branch that all it does is vibrates. So we found that we could develop a tool that actually helps the vagus nerve tune to these frequencies that help bring it out of the fight or flight mode and bring it into a higher state of functioning. So the device essentially is just has 10 levels of very carefully calibrated vibration. This is the up level, and you can hear it running. You can hear it coming down as well. We've carefully calibrated these levels. We've also designed into it in the second button down 4 very important algorithms. Each of these algorithms are like waves of the ocean, and these waves are distinct notes on a beautiful masterpiece Philharmonic orchestra. We've got all the instruments playing different parts here, and these different algorithms, 4 different colors that you can see there, each of those has a different song that it teaches to the nervous system. Now here's where it gets really interesting. We can take the little trigger point tip off, put our tuning forks on, and hit both sides of midline so that we're giving a calibration straight up into the brain that helps it understand what how to get back into a calming, resting, and restorative state. This is really important for people who've had brain injuries or who have strokes and different kinds of concussions. This really helps their brain to find balance. And we add a couple of really cool things to that process, such as our made by our neighbor pillow. This pillow is designed to just help support the cervical region and the jaw when we're in different positions. But one of our favorite ones, this one that you'll want to take home and work with somebody with a head injury immediately, is to put the device like this, stick it right behind the neck, put our cool pillow behind it, and have them lay back against a surface where they could start down regulating all of those important points up here at the neck. If you look, we're working at the C1, C2 level.
Here, I'm going to bring the camera a little closer.
We're working on the sternocleidomastoid muscle. We're working on all of those muscles at the back of the neck there.
Here, would you bring your collar down so people can see where that's at? There we go.
And we're working on so many areas here that within minutes we'll bring balance to those areas and just take the tension out of the trigger points. In fact, we did some really interesting research with this at the university a couple of years ago and found that 3 points, the back of the neck, right here in the eyebrows, where you take the supraorbital branch of the trigeminal nerve, that point right there, and inside the mouth, you spend 1 minute on each of those points and it will decrease the tension in the fight or flight system by over 50%.